The Dow is down 400. Could we close up on the day? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. It's Bubba's Daily Update. It's 12:30 Eastern Time approximately. Dow's down about 400. It looks like the world's coming to an end, but I think there's a lot of signs that indicate we may be able to turn this around for today. We could get one of those late day, rip your face off rallies. Let's take a look at some of the things that are going on here. The bonds had a spike rally this morning. Looked like the final blow off into the bond market, getting up to over 146. They're now back down near 145. That's point number one. So that says maybe some of the fear is coming out. The VIX actually was up, and it didn't look like it was up enough. Then it came and turned negative. Then it spiked dramatically higher. And again, here we are now. Still up a lot, but it's starting to come down. Okay, so I think we start to see that looks like it. I would say I wouldn't be surprised if the VIX was negative by the end of the day and the indexes were higher by the end of the day. Now again, I'm not predicting it. I'm just letting you know what's going through my mind as I'm watching these markets trade. It looks like the sellers, although very aggressive and very fast, and that's what things we're looking at, a very volatile market. It looks like they may be running out a little bit of steam. We'll see. You've seen some dramatic moves in the Russell, in the NASDAQ, and every other index. I think that's something that we should be watching for. But in the meantime, I wouldn't be surprised if I were going to take a shot here to do something. I would look to buy some inexpensive calls somewhere, looking for a move up if I were going to do something. And I am not saying one way or the other right here. I just want you to be aware of what it kind of feels like, what it kind of looks like. Because right now it's too easy to sell them because all you do is go down. So at some point, we're going to get that dead cat bounce. And I think we've seen that in oil. Oil got down to about 45.70 or so today and is now back about 46.50. I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a pop on oil. Now again, I'm still bearish oil and I think it's going lower, but I'm looking for rallies to sell. I'm looking to sell bonds on rallies. I'm looking to sell oil on rallies. I'm still looking to sell the indexes on big rallies, and we haven't seen one, so I think there's one probably coming here. Today, tomorrow, we're coming into a triple witching cycle, so there's a lot of things churning here going on. So what I would be looking for is if I were going to do something to take a cheap shot, I would buying some calls somewhere that were inexpensive. In the meantime, gold is going to test that 6-month high once again as it continues to ramp back up. That yesterday's sell-off was just a sell-off. You get sell-offs, you get rallies. It's understanding the footprint of where you are in these markets when these things happen. So grains look a little bit heavy, but wheat's strong, but corn and beans look a little bit heavy. But I think you want to look at March beans at 908. I think those are a great spot to step in. Meats are mixed. Feeders look stronger again. Of course, again, we like the meats. We like the ag. We're looking to be buyers on dips here as well. So, nothing has changed in our long-term view. But from a short-term trader's perspective, I look for some action in the equities. I look for some action in the bonds. I look for some action in the VIX. And, we got to see how this all trades out. We're going lower longer term. We are in a bear market. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. The markets are going down, and we want to look for big rallies to sell. I certainly would not be a seller with new money at these levels. I would wait for some sort of bounce because we know we're going to get one at some point. So make sure you keep and pay attention on that. Cryptos are starting to bounce a little bit. Again, maybe that's a little bit of the fear too. There's some money, some stored value. We'll see. We'll see how it looks. Again, our overall views haven't changed at all. Okay, big rallies, we're going to be sellers. Big rallies in oil, we're going to be sellers. Big rallies in bonds, we're going to be sellers. Big sell-offs in grains, meats, we're going to be buyers. That's really what we're looking at right now. Again, we're coming to the holiday, triple witching tomorrow. So be careful out there. And again, if you're going to do something that you realize you could lose it all on the next trade. So it's something that you want to do something very inexpensive here. That's strictly like a dinner and a movie if you're trying to catch this falling knife on one side or the other. That's why you see it. Everybody have a great weekend. We'll see you over the weekend with Bubba's Daily Up, with Bubba's Bottom Line. As always, have a great trading day, but don't be surprised if we get a spike rally. This is Todd Bubba Horowitz, Bubba's Daily Update. Remember, if you want to get the free copy of the book, Gold is a Better Way, all you have to do is go to bubbatrading.com/gold. That's my friend Adam Barata. And if you want to help us out with the high school program, Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. No no Thursday night football today. So I guess we don't have any predictions tonight, but we'll have some over the weekend for you. Have a great trading day, and we'll see you all next time right here on Bubba's Daily Update. Take care, everybody.